Mark has rectangular garden. The garden is 5 and 1/4 yards long and 2 and 1/4 yards wide. One bag of wood chips covers 10 square feet. How many bags of wood chips does he need? So first, let's draw the graph. We have rectangular, and we know that this rectangle is long 5 and 1/4 and wide 2 and 1/4 yard. Of course, we have to find how many bags of wood chips does he need. First we have to find the area of our rectangular. So we know that the area of rectangular is width times length. So we will have 2 and 1/4 yard times 5 and 1/4 yard. So this is equal. We can change this to decimal numbers. So this is 2.25 and 5.25 yard times 5.25 yard. So this is equal 2.25 times 5.25. This is equal, it approximately is 11.8 square yards. And now we know that one bag of wood chips cover 10 square feet. We have yards here. So now we have to change our yard to feet. We know that 1 yard is equal 3 feet. So we can rewrite our area is equal 11.8 yard, let's put in parentheses square, is equal 11.8, and instead of yard we can put 3 feet because 1 times yard is yard. So we have times 3 feet square. So this is equal 11.8. 3 to second power is 9. And we have square feet. So this is equal 11.8 times 9. This is equal 106.2 square feet. Now we find our area in square feet. So we have to come back to our problem. We know that one bag of wood chips cover 10 square feet. So now the number of bags will be our area of our rectangular divided by 10 square feet. So we have that area is 106.2 square feet over we have 10 square feet. So square feet we can reduce, and we have that this is equal 10.62. So we have to run this number to whole numbers, so this is approximately equal 11. We need 11 bags of wood. This is my solution.